Commerce Cloud Page Designer is a low-code tool that empowers business teams to build and manage their e-commerce sites in a fast and visual way. It's been one of the most rapidly adopted tools by existing customers. In the summer release, Page Designer is extending its capabilities to dynamic pages, like product landing pages and product detail pages. We've also made site search and SEO improvements. In this demo, we're going to show how easy it is to create product list pages and product detail pages, using the same drag and drop principles inherent to Page Designer. First, you can choose pre-built layout templates, or developers can build their own templates. Next, merchandisers can use the easy-to-use wizard to assign these templates to categories. Lastly, you can easily build the page, preview the page, and publish to the storefront. Let's see this in action. Let's access Page Designer from Business Manager using our favorites link. This takes us to all of our Page Designer pages. And today, we're going to create a new product list page based on some of the Page Designer layouts and templates already available. Let's choose our page. The next step is to assign that page to the category or subcategory we'd want to see on the product list page. So let's try women's clothing. And we can see we've also selected all of the subcategories by implicit selection. Next step is to give the page a name. Let's call it PLP Women's Clothing. And next, assign a description. And here we can see a summary of everything we've created so far, and you can go back and edit if needed. So let's create this page. Now we can see the page we've created based on our layout template. Navigating over to the page structure, we can see that our structure is assigned by default, with a top region, a main region, where we've pre-assigned the product list page, as well as a bottom region. The first thing we want to do is to preview the page to see how it's going to look for the particular category that you're going to be editing or have assigned to. Let's check that out. And here, we've assigned this page to women's clothing. And click Save. So now, when the page renders, we're in preview mode. And this is how the page would be rendered on the storefront. We can see that it's already bringing in assigned products and sorting rules that have been assigned to the category. But that's not all we can do with this page. With product grids, it's always nice to bring in some promotional content. So let's grab that component and easily drag it onto the screen. We can put it in the top row. Today, let's show how we can build a free shipping promotion. And since it's June, let's bring in an image of some nice spring tulips. And we can write our description. Free shipping for the summer months. And we can update our header type. Save and close. And there you go. We have a static asset showing free shipping for all women's clothing. And we have the ability to move this tile anywhere on the page or create a full row for the promotion. So let's continue on with this page and bring in a header banner. And we'll drag that onto the page. One thing you can do is assign dynamic attributes to that header banner. And so what this header banner will do is we'll pull in all of the attributes you've defined in Business Manager. And we can see that in the top right hand with the dynamic values. If a merchandiser wants to override the image for whatever reason, that's easy too. And you can do that in just a few clicks, similar to before. Choosing that image, we'll go back to our tulips and publish to the page. Save and close. And here we go. We've created our product listing page. So in review, these are product list pages for Page Designer. Thank you.